In this video, I'm going to share with you the #1 thing that can make the difference between you making your very first affiliate sale and not. In fact, it's very easy to do. What is up? My name is Chris. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to make money online, not just a little bit of money, but make a lot of money, be sure to hit that subscribe button and tick the bell icon next to it so you don't miss anything. Also, my #1 recommendation for making money online can be found in the description at benjisdad.com/guide. So be sure to go check that out right now. So that #1 thing is a landing page. Now, a landing page, put simply, is a page that anyone kind of lands on before you send them to an affiliate offer. Now, a lot of people can sometimes look at that and think, well, wouldn't that hurt my sales putting another page in front of my affiliate offer? And that's totally not the case. In fact, I have a story for you. So recently I was in the market for a new car. It was finally time for me to get rid of my old beater that I had. You know, the brakes needed to be done. It needed a timing belt change. It was a whole list of things. Recently I had to get the alternator changed. Like almost every month something was going on with it. So I'm sure you can relate. You know, it was at this point, it was like, you know what, I just need to get something that's a little more reliable that I don't have to worry about dumping a ton of money in each time. So I decided to jump into the sedan market, and I was looking at the Toyota Camry. So I went to my local Toyota dealership, and you know, I get onto the lot and I'm looking around and I see this car here, I see this Toyota here, and I see this nice black one that kind of just catches my eye. So I walk up to it and, you know, I try to open the doors, but the doors are locked. And, but I'm looking at the inside of the car and there's a navigation system and heated seats, and it just basically had the whole works. And, you know, I'm looking at the price of the car, I'm thinking to myself, you know, this probably is reasonable. I mean, I really don't, I did a little bit of research, but I didn't know what particular package this car was, so I'm sitting looking, trying to read the sticker, and it was just a whole long list of stuff. But I was ready to really jump in this car and take it out for a test drive. But like I said, the doors were locked, so I mean, I kind of stand up and I look around and I don't see anybody. And it's the middle of the day. It's not like it was, you know, after the dealership was closed. They were open for business. And I was looking around and no one ever came out to greet me. You know, almost every dealership you go to, someone walks up to you and say, hey, how you doing, whatever. But no one did this there. So I'm looking around and I'm just like, you know what, you know, don't worry about it. So I got in my car and I left. So I did a little more research on sedans, and I live in New England, so a lot of times it's very cold here. So I decided to, you know what, let me go with what every New Englander gets when they're around here, and that is a Subaru. So I started looking at the Subaru Legacy. So I'm doing my research on the Subaru Legacy, and I see all of the safety things that are great with it, that it's probably a better car than the Toyota and all of this stuff. So I decided to go to the Subaru dealership, and literally the second that I step foot out of the car, here comes one of the sales reps. Hey sir, how you doing? He introduces himself as Randy. I tell him my name is Chris. He says, hey, would you like a bottle of water? I'm like, sure, I love a bottle of water. So he goes and gives me a bottle of water. He says, so what kind of car are you looking for today? I'm thinking to myself, man, see, I like how he's coming up to me. You know, he's telling me, he's trying to engage with me, you know, kind of get a little instant rapport, you know. So I'm sitting there talking to him, and I tell him I was looking at the Legacies, and he's like, well, you know what, I got the car just for you, you know. So then he walks me over to one of the Subaru Legacies, but he was there to greet me, and he told me everything that I needed to know. He helped answer all of my questions, and literally a few minutes later, I was sitting at the desk negotiating a price with him, signing the papers, and buying the Subaru. So you can probably ask, why did I go into this big story? But I don't know if you notice a difference between me going to one dealership versus the other, okay? One, no one met me, no one helped me answer any questions that I had about the car. The other one, someone met me the second that I got out of the car and helped guide me through the purchase process. And that is what a landing page can do for you. It takes your cold customer, warms them up a little bit before actually shipping them to the offer for their opportunity to buy. So that's the importance of having a landing page. In fact, a place that I recommend for building your landing pages is called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is an extremely simple, beginner-friendly program that can help you build a landing page literally within seconds. Another cool thing about it is that you can take other people's landing pages, other people's sales funnels, things that have been successful for them, funnels that are literally making hundreds of thousands, or maybe even millions of dollars, and you can copy their sales funnel and then put it right there on your website. ClickFunnels is really amazing with that. If you want to go check it out, again, it's very easy to use. Go check out benjisdad.com/ClickFunnels. That's benjisdad.com/ClickFunnels. There is a 14-day trial that you can take advantage of. It's completely free for those 14 days. Give it a try. The process that Russell Brunson, he's the guy who owns it, puts you through with the training, and they even have sales reps who will call you and make sure that you're A-okay with the system. It is an extremely great system to use, especially if you're a beginner trying to get your first landing page out there. Remember, put something out there to greet your customers before you send them to your affiliate offers. So anyway, I hope you really found some good value in what we talked about today. If so, please be sure to smash that like button and comment down below any questions that you may have about landing pages or affiliate marketing. Be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well, so that others have the chance of making money online just like you. And if you want to make money online, not just a little bit of money, but a lot of money, be sure to hit that subscribe button that should pop up about right here. Check out the latest video on the channel, which should be about right there, and I will catch you all later. You know, I'm just gonna trust that it works. Yeah. All right. Pretend to customer. So recently, 3, 2, 1.